Marshall Mathers, what the fuck is you talking about right now, man?
If I do come back, you know my new name will be?
So, what's your new name gonna be, man?
Rain Man. Put your hands in the air, yo! Put your hands in the air!
New York! Say Rain Man! Say Rain Man! Say Rain Man!
You find me offensive, I find you offensive, for finding me offensive. My aim was not to become what I became with this level of fame. My soul is possessed by this devil. My new name is... Stack chips with a rainy day. Jay, Rain Man is back with Little Miss Sunshine.
Have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, ella, under my umbrella. Ella, ella, under my umbrella. Ella, ella.
Terror, got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it rain, I make it rain. We the best. Terror, got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it rain, I make it rain.
Yeah, I rap it. Raise that Rain Man without question. Muscle my hustle man without. Hey, have you seen the Rain Man look into the sky?
With more ass than delicious, that's my flavor of love. We make it rain like Rain Man when he play with the glove.
Amateur pole dancing, come and get this cash from me. They call me Rain Man. She try to rain dance, money so long. Competition faggot that ain't none. Speak of the devil, it's attack of the Rain Man. Chainsaw in hand, blood stain on my apron.
Now the Rain Man gave me 2 cures. Then he said, jump right in.
Like Damon, predicted the Rain Man, just like Rain Man. Down in the sun on the island of Cayman, while you and your main man. Yo, plus my nieces got brain damage. I'm dumber than Rain Man is. There's mayonnaise on this, I need a plain sandwich.
Hope y'all make it through the storm. You know what though? I love the rain, man. Love the rain.
Let's go. Yeah, everybody say, it's the Rain Man, can we have a rainy day? Make it rain. Umbrella, please bring an umbrella. Make it rain.
But there was one named Lizzie Cooper who said he was a lying cheat. She said, you call yourself a Rain Man, well, you ought to be ashamed.
Well, Rain Man comes with his magic wand, but the judge says mortal can't have no fun.
Dear God, I wonder can you save me?
Illuminati want my mind, soul, and my body.
Dear God, I wonder can you save me?
Secret society, trying to keep me on.
Dear God, I wonder can you save me? Our father figures is basis. Some say expect Illuminati. Take my body to sleep. Niggas at the party with they shotties just as rowdy as me.
So if money is the root, I want the whole damn tree. Ain't trying to stick around for Illuminati. Got to buy my Illuminati. A secret society do exist. Illuminati.
Okay, it's Young Wayne on them hoes, aka Mr. Make It Rain on them hoes. Like, hey, everybody say, Mr. Rain Man, can we have a rainy day? Bring an umbrella, please bring an umbrella. Ella, 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 eh.
Rain, rain, rain this way. That's what all the strippers say. Rain man, go away. That's what all these haters say. I'm a rain man, and I can.
Got the
all your own. Get ready for this new world order. Shit is about to change, motherfucker. Illuminati want my mind, soul, and my body. Secret society, trying to keep their eye on me. But I'ma stay incognito in places they...
Took me 33 years for me to see the truth. Ever so clear, I was too young, I couldn't articulate myself the right way, son. But now, let me break it down, pass it all around. This is not a theory, the conspiracy is real. They wanna put me in a straight jacket in the padded room. Tell the world it's 12 monkeys, so they could be confused. Illuminati want my mind, soul, and my body. Secret society, trying to keep their eye on me.
Machiavellian is Illuminati, all through your body. The blows like a 12-gauge shot.
Niggas that got killed in the field and all the babies born. No, they ain't fully prepared for this new world order, so I keep it ghetto like...
Just a lullaby to the new world order. Just a lullaby. A new world order.
We are slowly being slaughtered, so be prepared for the new world order. Yeah, you could yell out your brain.
Escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to...
Le Saint-Esprit ne sera plus sur la terre. En ce temps-là, il ne sera plus sur la terre. J'ai commencé à avoir un trafic énorme. J'ai commencé à avoir des accidents. Toutes les personnes qui étaient appelées avant, il me dit, ils chercheront la mort, mais la mort ne sera plus. La mort ne sera plus dans ce temps-là. Et précisément, j'ai commencé à voir que là, il y avait des personnes amères. J'ai commencé à voir comment circulaient des revues qui disaient « Des millions de personnes ont disparu ». Beaucoup de ceux qui savaient que Christ venait pour un peuple saint et aussi ceux qui avaient connaissance de sa parole pleuraient dans les rues. Il y en avait tant, mais ils ne pouvaient rien faire. Et le Seigneur ferma l'écran et il me dit « Je viens là chercher un peuple saint. Je viens bientôt chercher mon Église. Veille sur ce que tu fais pour accomplir ce que je t'ai demandé. Dis à mon peuple que je reviens d'ici peu. Dis à mon peuple que je reviens déjà. » Le Seigneur me dit, dis à mon peuple que je reviens déjà et que je viens pour un peuple saint. Dis à mon peuple que c'est seulement les saints, c'est seulement les saints qui me verront. Le temps est proche. Le Seigneur a permis de signaler et révéler à l'humanité ce qui arrivera. Aujourd'hui, c'est le temps du salut. Et que tu invites ta vie à ton unique sauveur, Jésus. Prends ce temps de choisir ta destinée. La vie ou la mort. Le ciel ou l'enfer. Jésus ou le diable. C'est très clair d'appartenir à Dieu ou d'appartenir au diable. De faire le bien ou de faire le mal. Ton choix sera ta destinée. Vie éternelle ou étang de feu. Réfléchis. Fais le choix. Décide maintenant. Jésus-Christ est mort sur la croix pour chacun d'entre nous, pour nos péchés, et nous a donné l'opportunité d'être sauvés par sa miséricorde. Accepte Jésus comme ton unique sauveur. Tous l'ont écouté et l'ont vu. Que ce moment, vous le viviez comme un appel.